Meaning of frontispiece.
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 Frontispiece. A frontispiece is an illustration or photograph located at the beginning of a book or document that faces the title page. It serves as a decorative feature and can provide information about the subject matter of the work. The frontispiece often includes the title, author, and occasionally a dedication or subtitle. It may also include an image of significant importance to the work. In summary, the frontispiece is a decorative and informative element found at the beginning of a book that provides context and insight into the contents of the work.